advocates civil rights for all, built through defending Asian Pacific Americans, particularly new immigrants. Applauded for landmark precedent-setting cases, the Asian Pacific American Legal Center empowers and advocates for the community, serving more than 15,000 individuals and clients annually. APALC continues to produce cutting-edge research. Its one-of-a-kind reports analyzed Asian Pacific American voter participation and access in San Francisco and Los Angeles during the 2006 election.
Nearly 11% of all registered voters and 9% of those casting ballots in Los Angeles County during last year's gubernatorial election were Asian American. By next year's presidential election, we expect that 1 in 10 voters countywide will be Asian American. Language assistance remains critical to voter engagement. Voters both need and use bilingual voter assistance made available under Section 203 of the Federal Voting Rights Act.
APALC plays an important role in raising the Asian Pacific American voice in major public debates, including immigration reform.
We joined our coalition partners to participate in legislative advocacy and rallies here in Los Angeles, Washington, D.C., and Sacramento to ensure a diverse Asian American perspective was being heard. In Orange County, we collaborated with local partners to host a town hall on immigration reform issues with more than 100 Vietnamese community members participating. Though the negotiations were completely stalled in Congress this summer, our fight for reform and our struggle to engage API communities in the debate will have to continue well into the future. But luckily, this past year has given us the opportunity to set a strong foundation to continue our work.
Linguistic and cultural barriers challenge many victims of domestic violence. APALC teamed up with the Los Angeles Urban League and the Mexican American Legal Defense and Educational Fund to form the Los Angeles Domestic Violence Prevention Collaborative with a generous $1 million grant from Verizon.
I came from Mexico in 1998, me and my 2 sisters, and I was 12 years old. That's when I first met our father. He used to beat us a lot. He used to hit us with our fist. He used to hit us with anything he find, he'll use it against us. We thought that we should talk to the police, but we were kind of afraid because we had no documents. It got to the point where we couldn't handle it anymore. And then we decided to talk to the police, and then Detective Rios introduced us to tracing. That's how we end up getting our work permit. We didn't even know we can get a permit or social security number or our license. So I'm glad that we met Tracy, and just life is now better than ever.
In addition to serving thousands of individual clients annually on issues such as housing, immigration, and citizenship, APALC also litigates impact cases on behalf of immigrants and Asian Americans who are targets of fraud or discrimination. APALC joined forces with the Los Angeles Center for Law and Justice and the law firm of Dewey and LaBeouf to represent 2 Koreatown families living in deplorable conditions.
우리 아파트에 콘도미니엄을 바꾼다고 사인해갈 때는 우리가 사는데 불편이 없을 거라 그랬어요. 시작을 하고 나니까 나한테 불편을 너무 많이 줬어요. 생각했던 것보다도 많이 뚫고, 또 중요한 거는 내가 살림을 하는 사람인데 싱크대를 뛰어가 버렸어요. 그러니까는 아무것도 할 수 없잖아요. 반찬도 할 수 없고 설거지도 할 수 없고. 그렇게 5개월을 지냈어요. 앞으로 사는 아파트에서 콘도로 고칠 때 그런 일을 당하실 때는 무조건 참고 무조건 기다려보고 그럴 거가 아니라 이렇게 저희들한테 도와주시는 곳에 와서 여쭤보고 우리들의 권리를 확실히 찾을 수 있었으면 좋겠습니다.
In addition to the Los Angeles Multicultural Education Collaborative, a joint partnership with BP America, The Los Angeles Urban League and the Mexican American Legal Defense and Educational Fund, APALC expanded its long-standing Leadership Development in Interethnic Relations program by launching Leaders in Health to nurture a network of leaders who work across boundaries.
Bueno, mi nombre es Mariana Francisco Shunkash, en español, ¿verdad? Pero mi nombre auténtico es Nesha Shunkash. Vengo de una nación maya indígena de Guatemala. Después de haber agarrado el entrenamiento con Asian Pacific Center, que es ese de liderazgo, me dieron ciertas herramientas que son muy importantes para mí, las cuales yo no los conocía.
Taking the program on the road, Leaders in Health conducted training in the Central Valley and in Los Angeles. Through local and national coalitions, innovative programs tailored to individuals and communities, and a tireless dedicated staff, board of directors, and executive advisory council, APALC has raised the bar of what community service organizations can achieve.
On behalf of the board and staff of the Asian Pacific American Legal Center, I want to thank all of you for your tremendous support of our 24th anniversary. We've had a great year, and we've joined together in the quest for equality and justice and to improve the lives of all of our residents in our region. Our 24th anniversary has been special because we have had a great year, but it also heralds our 25th year anniversary next year in 2008. 2008 will give us an opportunity to celebrate the many accomplishments in service and impact and leadership development. And we will be announcing some special opportunities to further strengthen our organizational capacity for our next 25 years of service and impact. Thank you very much.